Okay, these are the baby bobcats in our backyard. Look at this. This is September 21st, 2009. And we've got 3 baby bobcats in the backyard playing. I can't see from here now. Oh, there he comes. They like the swing set.
Look, one of them's in the tree.
One of them's up in the tree?
He likes to slide. Like to go.
Is he up in the tree?
Yep.
Okay, don't bang it, Grace. There he goes. There he goes. I got him. Look at them playing. That is the cutest thing. Look at... Oh, that is so cute. Look at that. Look at the tail wagging. Oh my goodness.
He's trying to get up on the roof. Oh my gosh!
They are up on the roof. Look at the other ones up on the wall behind him. I think they must have seen it from the wash next to
We're like, oh my gosh!
the ravine. Look at that.
It's meant for us!
That is hilarious. Oh.
I want to see him swing off of that
Maybe I
thing.
can zoom. That is the cutest thing. Look, he's trying to jump to the wall. He's thinking about it. Look at him. Aren't they the cutest little things?
They're so cute! I'm going to have one of those in my diorama.
Yeah.
Guess what? I'm going to take...
Oh, that is something else.
I'm going to tell the story, and then the story can be in the newspaper.
Well, you can we'll print a picture out and you can take it for show and tell on Friday. Look at him. Look at that. He says, I want to get there too. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, that's so cute. Watch him. Oh my goodness. We need a dog.
But they're
Look
cute!
at that. Well, yeah. Well, where's Mama? Oh, look, he's up on the wall. Watch him. I don't know where the Mama is, so...
Look, he's on the slide.
Uh-huh. Okay. They're so cute. They're not playing anymore. I think I'm gonna... Look at him hanging on the wall.